One bright morning at Danville's future school, Phineas and Ferb stood beside a giant cardboard maze in the gym. Phineas Ferb, welcome everyone to the math maze. Today we're showing how math skills help you find your way. Ferb gave a thumbs up. Ms. Thompson, their teacher, gathered the students. Ms. Thompson, each corridor in this maze is a math challenge. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and shape puzzles. Solve to unlock the next pi. Challenge 1. Additionally, a sign reads 12 plus 8 equals. Kids add on paper. Write 20 on the wall pad. And the door clicks open. Challenge 2. Subtraction. Subway 25 minus 7 equals. After they fill in 80, the pass lights up green. Challenge 3. Multiplication. Mountain 3, 5 equals. Answer 15. And a ramp lowers to proceed. Challenge 4. Shape. Square. They find shapes on the wall triangle. Square. Circle and must sort them by number of sides. Sorting tiles completes the final door. Inside the center, there's a treasure chest labeled Math Master. Inside are gold star stickers for everyone who finished the maze. Phineas, see how math is everywhere in finding directions, solving puzzles, even in shapes. Ferb, and you can build your own math maze at home using boxers, chalk, and your favorite problems. Children ran through cheering, high-fiving with their star stickers. Ms. Thompson, I'm so proud Matt helped you find the way.